Hi everyone and welcome to this new channel. In this series we're going to learn how to use Solidworks, one of the most popular parametric 3D design software used to model complex mechanical components. To start, Solidworks is a parametric 3D design and drawing software that allows us to create, visualize and document mechanical parts and assemblies. When we open Solidworks, the default environment is the part modeling, and SolidWorks includes three main environments: part, assembly, and drawing. In part, we design individual objects with the precise dimensions. In assembly, we bring together different parts we've created before to form a complete mechanism. And in drawing, we produce detailed 2D technical drawings with dimensions and part lists to support the documentation. In this series, we'll focus on the first environment part, where we model a single component based on specific project requirements. So let's go ahead and open it. When we do that, the SolidWorks interface appears. We begin from the top, and if we point the cursor of the SolidWorks logo, we get access to a drop-down menu with various tools to manage and modify our model. To exit the menu, simply click anywhere else. Now we have the upper toolbar. If we click the first icon, it opens the welcome interface where we can see the recent model and the recent documents that we created before. And the white icon page lets us create a new file in any of the three environments, so new part or assembly or drawing. To save a document, we click on this, and here we can also save with name the document, and the name will appear here. The printer icon lets us print. The arrow icon is the select tool. The traffic light icon is used to rebuild modified features, but we'll explore that later. This is the file properties, where we can add information at the documents like authors, comments, and title. Finally, we have options where we can customize the interface settings. See, we have system options and document properties. Moving on, we have the command search, which is used to quickly find and activate features. If we type, for example, extrude, it opens the extrude environment here, and we can also locate where it's found. Simply click on the eye. To the right, we see two icons. One is for logging in, and the other one for help and tutorials. Now let's look at the command manager. This is the central part of the interface, and depending on which tab, this bar is the bar of the tabs. Depending on which tab we select, different sets of commands appear here. For example, if we click Sketch, we see all the tools needed to draw 2D sketches, like the line or the circle, and for dimension it. By right-clicking on the command manager, we can hide the text label and show only icons. To restore it, just re-click on it. We can also add tabs on the bar of the tabs. And if we click on the arrow icon, collapses the command manager, and it only appears when a tab is selected. If we click on the pin icon, it keeps visible all times. Below the command manager, we find the view toolbar that lets us control how we view the model. We can zoom with this icon or rotate with this, and also switch between different standard views, like the top, the left, or the front. In the center of the screen, we have the graphics area. This is where the model is displayed and where we'll directly interact to create geometry and apply features. Another fundamental element is the feature manager design tree, that is this yellow panel on the left. Here, all the features used to build the model are listed chronologically, allowing us to track the history of our design. Similarly important is the property manager, where we set all the parameters for each feature. For example, if we select the sketch and we select the plane where we have to sketch, we draw a circle from the origin, and now click on the extruded boss base. In the property manager, it will appear all the different parameters that we can change to modify the extrusion, like the length. And if we click OK, the extrusion features is saved on the feature manager design tree. This we rotate it. Now, on the right side of the interface, we can import part from the internet with this command, the design library. And important, we can set the colors and apply the materials to our model. This covers the interface basics. In the second part of this video, we'll model a XNAT. So we click on Sketch, and Solidworks will ask which plane to sketch on. We select the top plane since we want our part to develop vertically. Now we select the polygon tool. Here in the command manager, we decide the number of sides that we set to 6, and click on the origin, drag outward, and click again to draw our polygon. Now we select the bottom side of the hexagon. A pop-up appears. We click the first icon to make the line horizontal. This is a constraint, a concept we'll explain in the next lesson. Now let's add a dimension. We click on Smart Dimension. We select the inscribed circle, and we enter 20 millimeters. Now the sketch is fully defined. We can tell this because all the lines turns black instead of blue. Next things to do is click on features and extruded boss base. We open the feature, and now we have to enter the 8 to create the 3D solid. We want that the is 8 millimeters, and we click on OK. Now let's create the hole with threading. We create a new sketch on the top face of the body. We click the face and we draw a circle from the origin. And we define its diameter that we want to be 9 millimeters. Now we go to another times to feature and select extruded cut. We select here true all and OK. Our hole is created. To add threads, we click on thread tool. So we select thread. OK. And we have to select the edge where the thread starts. It appears the preview, and you have to choose the size of the threads. We choose M10 for 1.25. Okay, don't worry if the preview shows the thread exceeding the body, it won't affect the model. So we click OK, and also the thread is created. To make the top surface more realistic, we remove a small portion with a revolved cut. So we create a third sketch on the front plane and draw a triangle from this vertex. We also add center line from the origin, a vertical line, and with smart dimension we set 2 millimeters for this side and 2 millimeters for this. Now we go to features and we select revolved cut. Solidworks will detect the axis with this and preview the cut, the highlighted in yellow. We click OK to apply, and our nut is created. Now we go to save as, and quickly we write eggs nut. That's all for this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to create sketches and apply constraints. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help.